So today we're going to talk about a problem that many of us have, ladder storage. Where is the best place to store your ladder? Well, I have this ladder up here and I got to move it because I'm going to put it into mini split air conditioning. So I have a better solution. So let me show you what we have. This is an 8-foot ladder, and it's not always convenient to store it in your garage or in your workshop. So I have a creative solution. So the first thing I do is get some PVC and I cut it off to the length I need. That's quick and easy on the bandsaw. Then I get an old broom handle and I saw it off to the length that I'm going to need. That's going to be a little bit longer than the piece of the PVC that I just sawed off. Then I'm going to get a Forstner bit that's going to be about the size of the PVC, a little bit smaller, but bigger than the dowel rod or the broom handle that's going to fit through here, because the PVC will rotate on top of the broom handle but not slip through the holes. Now I'm cutting to length the piece of board that's going to be attached to the frame I'm building. This part will actually be screwed to the top of the garage ceiling. So I'm going to put some dowel holes for joinery in the end of it to be able to join into the end pieces, just for security's sake. So this is what my frame looks like on a dry fit. So now let's get to doing the glue up. So in this build, I'm more concerned with just getting it completed. I'm not worried about beauty or aesthetics. By golly, it's going to be a shop project. It's going to be above the garage door. Nobody's really going to comment on it because it's rarely going to be seen. The function is the key issue. So now we got the frame put together. We're going to put in the broom handle or post that we have that's going to serve as our holding rod, and the PVC goes over the top of that so the ladder can roll easily on top of it. So here's our ladder hanger. It'll hang up like this. So we pre-drilled these screws so we can drill up until the studs in the ceiling, and the ladder will slide on this. So now we got to install this part. Now we have the installation complete. Let's test open the garage door to make sure that we have clearance. Oh, it's going to be close. But we've got 2 or 3 inches to spare in here. Works nicely. Opens and closes without any fear of hitting the ladder. So if you liked our video on ladder storage, hey, give us a thumbs up. Quick, easy, down and dirty. Want to see more of our tips, workshop tips, be sure to subscribe down below. And as usual, come back and see us real soon.